over at BSB here with another Tech Tip Thursday for you. Today we're going back to basics, engine oil. Engine oil is the lifeblood of every vehicle except for electric vehicles, and as such it's very important to know how to check your oil and when's the best time to change it. So most vehicles come equipped with an engine oil dipstick. You can find it on the motor under the hood, usually denoted by a yellow or orange handle. Make sure your vehicle's off and on a level surface and up to operating temperature. Go ahead and pull that dipstick. Give it a wipe for any residual oil that may be on there. Go ahead and get a fresh dip all the way down to the handle. Give it a couple seconds. And then we want to hold it nice and level. All dipsticks will have a safe range denote marker, like the little chevrons on these. As long as you're in a safe range and that oil is looking a clean golden color, should be good to go. Some modern vehicles are starting to become more common to come not equipped with an engine oil dipstick, in which case we can actually hook up our scan tools here at the shop and go through and check that oil level, the condition, and all those parameters for you. A lot of people wonder, especially now with a lot more synthetic oils coming out, when's the best time to change your oil? Well, here at BSP, we like to use Motul. It's a tried and true, fully synthetic ester-based oil trusted by racers around the world. They have longer lasting synthetic additives and detergents to keep that oil running cleaner and longer inside your engine. We typically recommend 5,000 miles, blanket across the board for a synthetic oil. But if you want to know what the absolute furthest that you can safely drive on your oil change, we can actually take an oil sample from your previous oil when we do the oil change for you and send it off to our lab to have it analyzed. And they can tell you exactly the mileage and the date that's the best time to come in for your oil. So if you guys have any questions or would like to set up an appointment with us, please feel free to give us a call. Thanks.